There is a saying that water is life. We have a very big problem. We do not get access to potable water. Our mothers, our children suffer looking for water daily.
Ensio hia ye papa. Ensio ntino ye man wo mutumi ko school ntem. Ye be nanto efiri ha akotale akobu nsio. Oto de bi so de nsu ni ba nsu ni mo aye fi poto.
Sometimes people suffer from bilharzia when they have to depend on a stream. And this water, they just fetch it and drink without treating. The community is a farming one, and the people are poor. We don't have money to be spending on medical bills for children because of untreated water that they take every now and then.
It's the same water that we are using, it is tale. You see, so they examine it and they say that there is typhoid and so forth inside, so it's unwholesome for human consumption.
We don't have any treated water here, but we normally go outside the school to fetch water for us to drink. We don't have any proper water in our campus.
Even though we have a borehole here, it's not wholesome for us to be using as drinking water. So we mostly depend on the pure water sachet for drinking water. And then some of the kids too, because of the water problem, they normally go to a far, place to get water before coming to school. It's greatly affecting the academic work.
Mowo osoro ha no oye nsu kroje. Nenyu mai fita. Why ye doso? Aye nyonyonyo. Nti obenye dode, mo betumi atwe dem nsu no aba Kpedze-Sreme mama hen.
My name is Isaac, Water Service Manager at Cleanearth Scientific. Over the last couple of months, we've been working with the community laboratory called Kpedze to help the people get access to sustainable, potable drinking water via standing pipes. To do this, we need your help because we believe that together we can make a difference in their lives. Please visit our website, cleanearthsci.com, to donate to this project. Thank you very much.